Hey everyone, we are here today with a Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty. So this is the Jack-o'-lantern putty, and this is a glow putty, so that means it should glow in the dark. You can see on the picture of the putty here that it's an orange color putty, and it has this outline here. So this will usually show the outline, what color it should glow. So this is one that should glow yellow based on this picture. And this is the 3.2 ounce size, or 90 grams. On the back of the tin here, you have a little bit of a description of the putty. So, this one's named after the jack-o'-lanterns and it glows brightly. It comes with one of these glow chargers, which some of the putties come with. These are like little UV lights to kind of charge up your putty for the glow in the dark. And it says it glows a yellow light in the dark. But let's take a look at this one. Let's get it opened up here. And man, look at that. That is a really, really pretty orange right off the bat. And there's lots of little sparkle pieces in here as well. They're really, really pretty. They're kind of a, like an orange, I would say too, like orange glitter, creating that sparkle. Really, really pretty putty right off the bat. So let's get it out here. We'll take a closer look. Okay. And look at this. Really, really pretty putty. Got a little bit of hair in there from my pets. That will happen. With these putties, I try to be very meticulous in playing with these, but my kids play with them too. So, things happen, but I do my best to, when I'm playing with them, keep them really clean. 'Cause if you drop this on, a dirty table or floor, it's going to pick up a lot. That's just something to be aware of. But really, really beautiful putty. I would say the texture is a medium texture, maybe a medium firm even on this one. So the putties usually vary from soft to firm. This one is, I would say, just a little bit maybe more firm than medium, like right between medium and firm. But just really, really liking the color of this one. The glitter in there is really fantastic. I'm trying to see. Let me take a closer look here. What color that glitter actually is. It's kind of like there's two types, I think. There is a orange glitter and there is a bronze glitter as well. But that's really, really pretty. So let's get it shaped up here and we'll test out the glow function on this one. So let me kind of stretch out a little piece here. There we go. Okay. And I have here my black light or UV light. These glow-in-the-dark putties, they do need UV light, which is a natural sunlight, or you could buy a black light or, UV light like this. And I definitely recommend something like this if you have the glow putties. These are pretty inexpensive, $5 to $10 online, but really, really useful to have because it charges these up very fast. You get these with a lot of the putties. Not all of them come with a glow charger, but some do. And it works. You can see I got a little bit of yellow there here in the light. I'm sure that spot will glow, but then compared to something like this, I mean, you can see that did a much better job very, very quickly. I only had it on for probably half a second. But let's get this charged up here. It gets even brighter. I know there's a lot of glare on the camera here, but for me looking at it on my end, the light is actually making it into almost a neon orange color, which is really cool. And this doesn't take too long, maybe 10 seconds. That should be good. Let me go turn off the light and we'll take a look. So yeah, I mean, there it is. It's definitely glowing. It's actually kind of glowing almost like white, isn't it? It looks kind of white on the camera. I'm trying to see what it looks like on my end because, these cameras, they do mess with the color sometimes. And on my end, I would say it's a little bit more of a, I don't know if I would call it yellow. It's almost like a dull orange. But I mean, you can see here on the camera, it's coming through very, very bright and very, very white color. Let me get my UV light again, wherever I put that here in my pitch black room, and give it another charge. Okay. Oops, bumped the camera there. We don't want to do that. Give it a little bit of charge. Yeah, so now in my hand, it does look a little bit more yellow. I can see all the glitter in here. You can see that on the camera as well. That glitter doesn't glow or anything. So now here in a dark room, it looks very dark because it's just, you know, not glowing or reflecting anything. But yeah, this putty in my hand, it does look kind of orange. I wouldn't say it's yellow. There's the back of it. That's the part we didn't charge with the light. But very, very bright glow. Very, very bright. And it's lasting a pretty good amount of time too. Let's see if I could maybe have some fun, like twisting this up here. So that's cool. I like that. Look at that. It looks like a candy cane, like a pumpkin candy cane. Very, very cool. Awesome. And of course, it's going just a little bit in and out of focus here because we are in a pitch black room, and you know the light, the phone is picking it up here as best as it can. But yeah, really, really pretty. I almost kind of wish it looked in real life like it does on the camera here, because I kind of like the white that I'm seeing on the camera. Again, in my hand, it is a little bit more of this, you know, dull orange color. But it's still very pretty. No complaints about this one whatsoever. In fact, it actually looks really, really nice. These like swirls in the color, so like the darker orange and the lighter parts that are charged by the glow are looking really pretty in person in my hand. Really, really pretty. Cool. Let me go turn on the light and we'll wrap this one up here. But yeah, that is the jack-o'-lantern putty. Very, very pretty here in the light and really cool effect in the dark as well. So this is a good one for sure. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I would definitely appreciate a like on the video and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. But that'll be it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.